What's up guys, EPICJONTUAZON here. We're going to be doing some mods on the Jeep Wrangler JK 2017, specifically runners. We got some runners from iBoard, so we're going to be throwing them on the Jeep Wrangler JK today. So just a quick recap, we did do the grille, the headlights, the light bar, the brackets, so now we're kind of working our way around. We're going to do the runners. And we've already taken off the OEM little trim piece there. This is where you're going to attach the mounting brackets for the runners. So we'll get to that in a second. Included with the runners, you're going to get the actual runners coming with you, and they're going to give you the brackets. Now the brackets you're going to need to differentiate. There's 3 different types. There's going to be a long one, which is going to be the middle one. There's going to be a middle piece, which is the front, and the shortest is going to be in the back. And then passenger driver respectively. So you're going to have to differentiate between those brackets. Then they give you these little pieces. These are going to go underneath where the side skirts are. And these are going to be the bolts that you're going to use to attach it to the car and then eventually attach the runners to the brackets. Okay, so as I was saying before, you're going to have to differentiate between 3 brackets. The middle one is going to be the longest one. The shortest one's going to be the rear, and the middle piece is going to be the front. So first we're going to do the driver's side. We're going to attach these to the actual Jeep, and then we'll attach the floorboard. Alright, so let me take you underneath the car. iBoard provides you with these brackets, I guess just in case yours doesn't come with any. But if you look underneath the car here, you're supposed to insert them through here, and it's supposed to thread this, which is essentially going to hold your bracket to the frame of the car. But it's already threaded and it already has a piece in there, so I'm not going to even bother using this. Okay, so now that you have your grade 8 bolt going up into the frame, you're going to take 2 of these 6mm bolts with a nylon locking nut, slide it through with the washer, and anchor it in on the end, back end with the nut. Alright, then once you have all your brackets mounted securely, you're going to take your runner, you're going to take those bolts I was telling you about, and you're going to just slide them in through the end. And you should have 4 per bracket, so you're going to need a total of 12 bolts inside the runner itself. And then you're just going to slide them all the way to the end. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys underneath what it looks like. So these, I added washers and the nylon locking nut. There's 4 of them. And then over here, there's that grade 8 bolt with a locking nut and a washer, holding it to the frame. And then you have the 2 bolts, again up top here, holding it to the side skirt. And again, just for completion, there's the middle one. These are the 4 bolts that are holding the actual runner onto the bracket. So that is it. Thank you to iBoard for sending out such great runners. Now when you want to get in your Jeep, all you have to do is step up and get in. You don't have to hop in. It was a pretty simple install. Again, you want to make sure you secure the brackets in there first with the locking nut and washer. And then it was a simple install, as you saw again, with the sliders and the bolts. Basically, you're just threading it through and securing it again with the washer. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you with my insight. Other than that, thank you guys for watching and I'll catch you on the next video. See ya!